How to change any app UI in seconds. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that feels almost unreal at first, how to change any app's UI in Domscribe. Now, if you've ever used an app and thought how this layout could be better or why is this button here, you are not alone. Traditionally, changing a user interface requires a lot of coding. Okay. And of course, to get that coding, you will need to redesign. You're going to need a lot of back and forth. But with Domscribe, that entire process becomes incredibly fast and surprisingly simple. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to take any existing app interface, just as so, analyze it, modify it, and completely transform its look and usability in the matter of seconds. Now, whether you are a developer, designer, or just someone who wants more control over how your app looks and behave, this is going to open up a whole new level of customization. So before we jump into changing the actual interfaces, it is important to understand what Domscribe actually does. Now, at its core, Domscribe interacts with DOM, the structure that defines how elements like buttons, text, images, and layouts appear on your screen. So instead of manually editing your code, Domscribe will give you a visual and interactive way to modify these elements in real time. What makes it powerful is its ability to instantly detect user interface components and allow changes without breaking the app's functionality. You're not just rebuilding the app, you're reshaping how it looks and feels. So this means you can adjust layouts, reposition your elements, tweak your styles, and improve usability without actually needing deep technical bonds. So to get started, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to domscribe.com, or you can go over to Domscribe's very own GitHub page. Now, if you're on the Domscribe website, what you're going to do to get Domscribe is you're going to copy this code over here. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you have two things installed. You're going to want to make sure you have Python installed, and you're going to want to make sure you're going to have Node.js installed, because without these, you will not be able to run this specific code and get Domscribe for yourself. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to come right down to our search and we're going to search for CMD. Now that's going to give us the Node.js command prompt. We're going to open that up. And once you have copied the code, you're going to right click and it's going to bring the code here. You're going to hit enter. And once you hit enter, as you can see, you need to install the following packages. Obviously, you're going to hit Y and give it the approval to install it. Now, once it goes ahead, what it's doing is it's installing the Domscribe backend into your PC. Now, this is one way to install it. Now, the other way is just going over to GitHub and getting the direct installation file right from here, and then adding these files manually into whatever app you have. Okay, that is a more difficult and discreet way, so do keep that in mind. But once this is done, it's going to ask you, select your coding agent. Now over here, you can select the LLM you're using. So we have Claude Code, we have GitHub Copilot, we have Gemini CLI, Amazon Cairo, Cursor, and other manual MCP setups. Okay, now you can go ahead and choose any one of these, whatever works for you. Now, most people, what they do is they actually use Claude Code. Okay, now let me show you what Claude Code actually looks like. We're going to open up Claude right here. And as you can see in Claude, we have the code option in this section. Now, once you open that up, do make sure that if you do want Claude Code, you have the upper based plans. You can't get Claude Code on the lower free plan. Well, once you have that, you can actually go ahead and click on Claude Code over here. Once you click on Claude Code, it says Claude is not installed or not on pad, showing manual setup instead. So install Claude Code CLI, then run Claude Plugin Marketplace, and obviously you're going to run these installation files into your Claude code. Once that is done, it says select your framework. Now, this is the framework you're going to be working with. Now, most people, what they do is they actually just go ahead and use either Next.js or they use the React plus Vite pack. Now, I'm going to go with Next.js, and it says, which package manager should we use? Obviously, NPM. And once that is done, what's going to happen is it's going to start installing things into your PC. Now, in the case your download does fail, do not worry about that. You can manually install your Domscribe by using these codes. So npm install Domscribe next. All right. So just go ahead and copy this code for yourself. Okay. And once this code has been copied, what you can do from here is you can start pasting things like this. Okay. So you hit that, you're going to hit that. And as you can see, it will start installing. Now, once Domscribe has been set it up, you're going to go over to your coding application, and the way that you're going to go ahead and edit things, like, let's say you have Claude Code, add this. Once the manual setup is done, there's a few things that will go into the UI. So first of all, you're simply going to point at the UI. You're going to select the specific regions in it. Okay, and let me show you how it's going to basically look like. So over here, as you can see, it's going to give you a prompt opener like this, and everything on the UI is going to be selectable, just as so. You're going to select something, and here you're going to simply write in the prompt what you should change. Then you can go ahead and select a whole section. Again, write a prompt on what you should change. So just like this, click any element in your running app, type a change in plain English, and submit. Domscribe is going to resolve the element to its exact source location, and your coding agent edits the right file and line with no searching, no context switching, or anything like that. All right. This is what will keep your business going. So as you can see, you're going to click on a UI just like this, and it's going to give you your annotations, right? So element, button, etc. Your coding agent is going to open, and right here, you're going to make the changes. It's going to edit the exact file and line and overlay your updates live. You can build stable IDs, deep runtime capture with real-time feedback on your annotations. So how it works is you simply go over ahead, inject a code, annotate it, and once you annotate it, it's going to directly manifest the whole code here, and your resolved code should appear in front of you. It's that simple. So the basic step process that I taught you was inject it into your app, capture the framework, relay and make your changes, and your coding agent will be connected to everything. So once it is done, go ahead and start editing your AI according to yourself. Even the pictures is going to look just like this, where here is your AI. You're going to click on something. You're going to go ahead, follow the button on this profile. It should show the mutual follow indicator. Write in your changes in plain English. Once you go ahead and enter, as you can see, it's going to query, and it's going to start making those changes immediately. And once those changes are fully done and made, it is going to show it on the left-hand side and give you those changes right as so. So that is how you're going to go ahead and make changes to your very own user interface, okay? That is how you can change any app UI in seconds using Domscribe. From selecting elements and modifying styles to improving layouts and applying changes instantly, you now have a complete workflow to transform interfaces quickly and effectively. This isn't just about making things look better, it's about taking control of your user experience and optimizing it in real time. Now, whether you're refining your own app or experimenting with new ideas, Domscribe will give you the flexibility and speed to bring those ideas to life instantly. So if you found this helpful, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.